traditional naval battle in the Persian Gulf is over, and the results are clear. Iran's conventional surface fleet has been decimated. From frigates to corvettes, the once proud Iranian Navy is now a collection of shipwrecks. Yet, the US Navy isn't celebrating. A new, more invisible threat has emerged from the rugged coastline. Tehran has doubled down on a massive arsenal of shore-based anti-ship missiles, turning the entire region into a high-stakes no-go zone. Systems like the Abu Mahdi cruise missile, boasting a range of over 1,000 kilometers, have fundamentally changed the math of naval warfare. These aren't just coastal defenses, they are strategic gatekeepers. Hidden in hardened missile cities and mobile launchers, these batteries are nearly impossible to eliminate in a single strike. For the first time in decades, the most powerful fleet on Earth is being told exactly where it can, and cannot, sail without risking a catastrophic hit. This missile umbrella is forcing US carrier strike groups into a strategic standoff. To stay outside the lethal envelope of Iran's supersonic missiles, carriers must now operate hundreds of miles further out in the Indian Ocean. This distance creates a tyranny of space. Every sortie launched from the flight deck now requires significantly more time and fuel just to reach the AO. The frequency of strikes, the pulse off a carrier's power, is being throttled by the sheer distance to the target. This reliance on long-distance strikes puts an immense strain on the Navy's aerial refueling tankers. Without enough gas in the air, the F-35s and Super Hornets simply cannot reach their objectives. By forcing the US to fight from the periphery, Iran's missile strategy is achieving its goal. It doesn't need to sink the fleet to win. It only needs to make the fleet less effective. The age of the carrier as an undisputed nearshore power is being tested by the silent threat of the shore-based battery. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and also please subscribe to our channel, so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the US military and their allies around the world.